So you can use Amazon or any other online shopping app to shop for your daily needs. It's fairly simple. You just need to download the app, then make an account, sign in, look for whatever you're buying, and place an order for it, and it's delivered to your home instantly. So the first step to this is, once you have the Amazon app on your phone, you open it. Then you'll come to a home page like this. If you don't have an account already, then you click here and say create an account. Now you enter your name, mobile number, you can give your email ID also additionally. And then it'll send a verification message to your mobile number. So here you can see this is the message in with the code. And now this is done. Now you have an account on Amazon and you can buy and order anything.